I urge the NHIF to ensure that the precious funds committed to its custody by both subscribers and supporters are utilized prudently with utmost transparency and accountability.
Scandals of fraud and theft surrounding the National Hospital Insurance Fund have for a long time denied a majority of Kenyans the service they deserve, with Parliament and Ministry of Health early this year calling for urgent restructuring of the fund. And early Saturday, during the launch of the biometric registration of 1 million indigents into the Universal Healthcare Program in Mombasa, President Uhuru Kenyatta did not hesitate to issue a warning to the NHIF management over the misuse of funds.
If you do not handle these funds with the care and caution that it requires, some of us will go to very extreme lengths to ensure that you shall regret it for the rest of your lives.
Further, the head of state has asked Parliament to avoid unnecessary debates over the approval of funds, specifically for the Universal Healthcare Program.
We want to begin delivering. Our people deserve it and they want it. And we are asking you to partner with us. This is not the time to show prowess in debate. This is the time to deliver.
Meanwhile, the Ministry of Health and the Attorney General have been directed to fast-track the necessary legislation required to fully implement NHIF reforms into law and foster the sustainability of the fund.
The government will provide health insurance cover to initially 1 million households who are vulnerable and unable to meet even that low-cost premium of 6,000. The identification of these 1 million households by the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Labor and Social Protection, as well as our county governments, is set to begin in a few days across the entire country.
Currently, there are 9.1 million households in the NHIF database, which translates to about 22 million people in the country. However, a majority of Kenyans under the fund have over the days decried over the fund's selective system that favors just but a few. The head of state nonetheless says the biometric registration will secure the integrity of the fund. Diana Richumbogwa, Ibru TV.